Well, it's about that time, you guys. We're diving into mystery bundles from FabFitFun. Hey, beautifuls. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have mystery bundles here. They have finally arrived, you guys. We are going to be taking a look at the fall add-ons from FabFitFun that featured mystery bundles for $20 each. So I purchased 3 of them, which is the maximum amount that you can get. We're going to be opening all of them up today. We're going to see if they're worth it or not. And honestly, I hope to God they are worth it, but we're gonna find out. So we are looking at 3 different FabFitFun mystery bundles. Now these mystery bundles were purchased when I customized my fall subscription box. So when you customize through there, there will be a page where you can do add-ons for your box and you can make additional purchases. They have lots of different things. One of the options that they have are $20 mystery bundles. You don't get to pick anything in them. You can't customize anything. You can't say no to anything. It's just $20 per bundle. And in each bundle, there will be 3 items. Now, my experience with these is they are typically worth it. Usually 1 bundle per season for me is really worth it. We're gonna start with the smallest bundle, which is bundle number 1. Ooh. Well, we got the number 1 bundle, and you can always tell which one you have because they will put a label across the front. And first it will tell you the year. So this is the 2024 bundle. It will tell you the quarter that you're in, which is the 3rd quarter. So we're in fall right now. And then it will tell you this is the mystery bundle. And then this is your actual bundled number. So this is the first mystery bundle. If you ever get these and you have a shipping notification and it says you're getting mystery bundle number 1, well, this is what you're getting is what I'm going to show you here. First item inside of this bundle is from Dr. B. Ooh. Isn't this from Dr. Brandt? Isn't Dr. B Dr. Brandt? This is the Melting Gel to Oil Moisturizer, 1.7 ounce, so full-size product. This moisturizer features vitamin B5 seed extracts in it. It's lightweight. It will melt into an oil on contact with your skin because of the heat. So it's going to be a shape-shifting gel that will melt literally into your skin when you apply it. So this is a science-based vegan formula moisturizer is what it says on the back. So very fancy. This is what it will look like here. I feel like, yeah, it does say Dr. Brandt Skincare on the back here. I knew. I love it when I'm right, you guys. Like sometimes I'm not, but I was like, I'm pretty sure. But I also feel like, wasn't this in one of our boxes as an item to choose? I can't remember if it was spring, but I thought I saw this as a choice product once upon a time. But this is still good. I think this is a win for 20 bucks in a mystery bundle. I think this is awesome. The next item inside of this bundle is from Chic and Tonic. This is a set of 4 cup ensemble. Ooh. So this one says that it's just 4 cups inside of this box. So we're gonna look at these cups. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, and they're nicer than what I was expecting too. So let me pull these out. But here's the print. I think those are cute. They're all gonna be the same print on them. And then I think the cups are like 12 ounces. So perfect size, honestly. They are gonna be that, oh, what's that word? I wanna say melatonin and that's not, it's something with an M. It's not melatonin, no, I know it's not that. Melamine, is that what it is? Okay, it's one of those plastics that you can use outside and that won't break. And that's what I kind of like about these is they're great if the wind does blow them off your table or something. It's not going to actually break your cups. Now, it does mention that this can go in the dishwasher. However, they want it on the top rack only. And it says that you can put it in the microwave as well. So honestly, this is a win, you guys. I think they're very cute, very summery. We'll use these. And last item in mystery bundle number 1 is a set from Invisibobble. These are the scrunchies that they make, and it is the slim styled scrunchie. There are 2 of them inside of this box. Now, Invisibobbles, I swear by you guys, I've talked about this before. They are the only hair ties that I will put into my own hair because they're so gentle on my hair. They don't create breakage, but they also will hold your hair into a ponytail just fine. And they're not going to create those annoying rings in your hair either. So I just love these. I actually think this is really good, you guys. Now, I always say there's one bundle that is usually really good. This might be it. I mean, it's a pretty good start. Dr. Brandt is in here. I like the cups. I think the Invisibobbles will win. I will use every one of these products. For $20, I feel like I made out really well on this bundle. Next up is mystery bundle number 2. And not only is it my second one to open, but literally it is number 2 is the title of it. So again, if you get a shipping notification that says you're getting mystery bundle number 2, we will have the exact same items. First item in this bag is from Pure Lee's. This is their pineapple gel cream. So this cream is a lightweight moisturizer. It is oil-free, and it says that it will brighten and moisturize your skin while giving you hydration. Now, I've used this product before, actually, so I can tell you that I do enjoy this one. Great brand. I do think the product does great at moisturizing, and I did notice that my skin was glowing, but I didn't feel like it was like, you know, a mirror, right? Like it was just a normal glow. So I do think it's a really great moisturizer. It did feel softer after using this product, but I love that it's a full-sized item. Oh, these are those giant scrunchies. So this is from Kitsch, and we have a set of, what, 4 here? 2, 3, 4, no, 5 of them. So there are 5 scrunchies on this bundle. And these are called crepe scrunchies, and it's a terracotta bundle. Oh, I get it, terracotta, yeah. I see the color story in here. So these ones are gonna be really thin, and then you're gonna have your scrunchie inside of this here. The bands themselves are really nice, but I feel like the Invisibobbles that we saw earlier are actually like a tighter coil. So it's a little bit tighter of a scrunchie. These feel very loose. They actually remind me of kind of like a bracelet because they're just, they look cute actually. Are we doing this again? Like, are we bringing these back on the wrist? I don't know. It's kind of cute now that I see it. I'm like, maybe that's why they made these so lightweight. They feel like they're going to be too loose to hold my hair in place, but I don't know. Maybe they'll be fine. But I like the colors that are on here. So this is what my bag looks like. I'm pretty sure this is a lunch bag. So we do have 2 handles here, and then it is just a snap across the top. That's weird. There's no zipper. And then it's supposed to be like a cooler inside, but this is thinly made. This is not insulated at all, you guys. Okay, so this one is not my favorite. So this appears to be something that they made in-house. It says FabFitFun on the bag, but I don't see a label anywhere else on this bag. So for starters, the first thing I noticed is these handles are very thin and they don't feel sturdy at all. So I was like, well, that's kind of odd. But then when you look in here, I don't know if you guys can see in the light, maybe not, but I can see directly through this bag. They did not line this with any insulating properties. All it is this canvas material here that you see with the print, which is very thin. And then they took one piece of this white liner and put it in here, and it's just stitched around the top here. It's not actually stitched down in the bag. So this can pull away from the rest of it because it's not stitched together. Do you see what I mean? So construction is just not done well on this, but on top of it, it's so thin, there's no way anything would stay cold inside of this. So if that's the idea of it being a lunchbox, first off, it should have had a zipper to keep it cold as well. This has one snap, so that's not gonna work. And then additionally, like I said, there's nothing insulating in this. It's just 2 fabrics lining together. So that's not gonna keep anything cold. So I feel like this just feels like something you would get off of Wish. Well, that is definitely not the best bundle for this season. So we have a impersonating lunchbox. We also have a set of 5 scrunchies in here. And then we have the Pure Lee's moisturizer. Now, the good news is for $20, I don't feel like I'm losing a ton of money on this bundle. I think the Pure Lee's probably took care of that. But scrunchies and a really cheap lunchbox, just not that exciting. Mystery bundle number 3 is also labeled as number 3. So again, if you guys order these and it says you're getting bag number 3, we will be twinsies. First item inside of this bag is from Ahava. This is their Ocean Mist hand cream. Now this is interesting because I have tried and used a lot of the Hava products, and I have never seen this product before, not on their website or anywhere, you guys. So this is a hand cream that is scented as Ocean Mist. It says it's a luxurious lotion and it features Dead Sea minerals in it. So if you guys have used this, comment down below and let me know what you think of this as a lotion. They have some other lotions that I really do like. One is a really deep, it's great for wintertime. Like when my hands get really chapped from the dry air, that's one of the lotions that I will use. But this one, I didn't even know they made it. We also have a very large blanket. It almost feels like a rug, you guys. Like, do you see this trim right here? I'm thinking this is a rug and maybe it's a flamingo. That's what I'm gonna go with, but let me open this up. So it is definitely a rug. It feels like a bath mat. And on the front here, what is this? Do I just have to like look at it differently? Is it supposed to be a flower? What am I looking at? Is this a flower? It's the most bizarre shape ever. I don't get it. Okay, so this is my bath mat. This is so weird, you guys. Now it is good size. I feel like you could put this in front of your bathtub. It would be the perfect size for that. I don't know, maybe it'll say over here. The brand is Summer and Rose, which is a FabFitFun brand. And it says, may slip on smooth floors, 100% polyester, machine washable, made in India, but that's it. It doesn't say anything about the size or anything else or what this is. Like, this looks like an angry face to me almost. Do you see this? Like, it looks like this angry bear that got attacked and slashed his face and now he's really upset. I don't hate this, but I don't love it either. I gotta tell you guys, growing up, my parents rented a home and the bathroom was all pink. Like, it was a pink toilet, and not just the fuzzy, you know how before they had like those toilet covers like that would go on the seat? I'm not talking just that. The toilet itself was actually pink. The tub was pink. There was pink tiles everywhere. And then it was all these pink accents. I mean, the sink was pink. It was so much Pepto-Bismol pink that I swore I would never have pink in my home, and I don't. So I don't have it. So to see this, I'm like, I like it, but there's no way I can have pink in a bathroom because I was scarred by that house we used to live in. But I do think this is a decent rug. I don't think it's a terrible loss. It's just, you know, for personal reasons, I don't think I can use this. All right, last item in mystery bag number 3 is from Invisibobble. Jeez, they have a lot of these. This is for thick hair, and it says it's an extra hold. So this is what they will look like. There are 3 of these in here. I do love these. I think they work great. Maybe I'm the only one that thinks that because there's a lot of Invisibobbles it looks like that FabFitFun is getting rid of. But this is what it looks like here. These are made with 2 coils. So the traditional ones are not going to be double banded, but this is designed, like it said, for thick hair and have extra strength to it. So you're seeing those 2 coils put together. Now, this definitely feels like it's going to be a tighter hold. This is why I love them though, because they are firm, they keep your hair in place, and because they're all smooth, they're also not gonna rip or pull your hair at all. So even though my hair probably doesn't need 2 coils, I do think these are really nice that I will still use them. So that is everything in mystery bag number 3. I think it's, you know, it's interesting. I just had a funny feeling that the first bag we opened up was going to be like the it bag. After seeing it, you guys, I was like, wow, I really like all of these products. And I always know there's one bag every season that's really good. It's definitely that first bag. So that is everything inside of the mystery bundles from FabFitFun for fall this year. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of these bundles. Like I said, I paid $20 for each of them. I don't feel like I lost money on any of them because I will use the beauty products. I will use the hair ties in here. The other 2 bags are not my favorite. Like I said, with the bath rug in here, not necessarily my favorite. That lunchbox, not at all. but I will use them at least that it's worth it for my money. But I do think that first bundle was really good. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of these bundles. We'll chit chat all about them. Maybe you can make out what that bath rug is supposed to look like. Is it a flower? Is it a bear? I don't know. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!